So good, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariam Shibly, and today I'm going to be showing you the fastest and easiest and healthiest recipe ever, at least of mine. So it's zucchini shrimp noodles, and it literally takes under half hour to make this, and it's so fulfilling and so delicious. I cannot stress that enough, guys. I'm really excited to show you. In this recipe, you'll need 7 zucchinis spiralized, and I've linked this easy one I use below, 1 onion, 1 to 1.5 pounds of frozen shrimp, 4 garlic cloves, black pepper, salt, parsley, red chili pepper flakes, 1 cube of chicken broth or vegetable broth, and 1 lemon. Also, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. I have so many more recipes for you guys, and another video on something a little personal, which I'll be excited to share at the end. Okay, let's get started. Let's heat up a wok on high heat and take your sliced onions and let it sear for a bit until they turn light brown on the ends. And then we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to help the onions caramelize a little bit. Once the onions are caramelized, we're going to add your minced garlic and your choice of broth, 1 cube, and make sure it's mixed really well. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chili pepper flakes, some cracked black pepper, and add salt to your liking. Mix it really well, and then we're going to go ahead and add our frozen bag of shrimp. Once the shrimp starts to thaw a little bit, go ahead and toss it into the mixture really well. Once the shrimp is cooked, we're going to go ahead and squeeze half a slice of lemon, and we're going to sprinkle dried parsley flakes on top. Let the mixture saute and sit for a little bit so that you have a sauce accumulating in your wok. And then we're going to go ahead and add half your spiralized noodles. I like to add half just so that it's easy to coat and toss around in the mixture. And I totally forgot this step, but go ahead and take some scissors or knives to cut your zucchini noodles, otherwise they get tangled very quickly and end up being really difficult to toss. Add the remaining zucchini noodles and let it coat well into the sauce. You don't want it to let it sit too long in the mixture because it'll get soggy. And once it's done, you guys are set for some really healthy, delicious zucchini noodles and shrimp. So good, guys. You don't really miss out on the pasta part. It tastes delicious. I love zucchini noodles. And when you spiralize them yourself, it tastes a lot fresher and a lot better, trust me. So I'm really excited for you guys to try this recipe. And I have some exciting news, so if you like this recipe below, don't forget to hit subscribe because I will be sharing on how you can have a healthy pregnancy. I'll share what works with me and what didn't work and all the essentials that I used, as well as more healthy recipes for you guys. So I definitely appreciate your support. See you guys later. Bye.